Hey friends, welcome to Brittany Bruce Education. In today's video, I'm going to share with you where and how I create logos for my businesses. Before I tell you, I want you to go ahead and download the resources below. I've got a free business workbook for you, a free business checklist for you, especially if you're just starting out. And we have a free Facebook group I would love for you to be a part of, Brittany Bruce Business Coaching for Christian Women in Business. So go ahead and get all those freebies, all those goodies, and please, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to this channel, like this video. It really helps us create more free videos for you in the future. So, okay, I get this question all the time. Like, I don't have the money to hire a graphic designer. I don't even know where to get a logo. I'm not sure where, how, when, how much. I don't. All of the things that the enemy tries to tell you that you can't do and you don't have resources for. I'm about to change your freaking life, okay? If you're brand new to business, you have no idea about this program. But this program is going to change the business game for you, okay? It's called Canva.com. This is not paid advertisement. This is not a sponsored video by any means. I wouldn't hate it if it was, but Canva.com right here is going to be your new best friend as a business owner, okay? This platform is easy to use graphic design for people like me who aren't good at this, okay? You can make your logo, which is the point of this video today. Make your logo. You can make graphics for your website, make graphics for your social media, make graphics for your business. You can sell products through it. You can create t-shirts, posters, canvases. Like, I have so many things that I've purchased through Canva. Business cards, brochures for your business. There's so many things. Swag, like hats or sweatshirts or anything, any kind of promotional marketing things that you need. It's all there, and it's so easy to use. There's a free version, there's a paid version. You're gonna start with the free version, but once you see what the paid version offers, it's gonna blow your freaking mind. There's Instagram templates that you can use, Instagram like story templates that you can use, lots and lots of marketing and promotional graphics you can use for your business, and it's free. So make sure you go to canva.com and you can even type in logo. It'll have a bunch of logo templates come up, and you just start with that. You click download, it saves to your computer, and now you have a logo. Okay? Starting a business doesn't have to be complicated, it doesn't have to be hard, it doesn't have to cost a lot of money. You just have to have the right resources and the right people in your life to show you the way. So I hope this video was helpful. Go ahead and go to canva.com and check it out, and comment below if you have any questions or if you want to share your logo with us. We'd love to see it. And make sure you download the freebies, get inside of our Facebook group, like and subscribe, all the things, you guys, so we can continue making free videos like this for you. So I love you guys. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.